In this video, I'll show you how to set up redirects in Cloudflare so you can organize your traffic, boost SEO, and keep your domain clean. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to work with. On the left-hand menu, click Rules. Then go to Redirect Rules and hit Create Rule. Give your rule a clear name like Redirect www to root so you know exactly what it does later. Next, set the conditions. This could be a specific path, a wildcard pattern, or even all incoming requests depending on what you need. Now, configure the redirect itself. Choose the status code 301 for permanent redirects, best for SEO, 302 for temporary redirect. Then enter your target URL. If you're using wildcards, you can add $1, 0 cents, $2, 0 cents, etc. to dynamically match parts of the path. You can also enable preserve query strings if you want to carry parameters to the new link. Once everything looks good, click deploy and your redirect goes live instantly. And that's it, yeah. You've successfully created a redirect in Cloudflare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Cloudflare tutorials.